Hi guys, it's Jennifer Nickel again with Prairie View A&M University Cooperative Extension Program. I'm here in the Crisis Kitchen, wanted to bring you another easy recipe. Today we're going to be making dill dip. This is something that you can use for your vegetables, you can use on crackers, and it's very, very simple and healthy. So we're first going to start out with 1 cup of plain fat-free Greek yogurt. So make sure this can be used as a substitute for sour cream. It still tastes really delicious. So just put your 1 cup in there. Next, we're going to use a half a teaspoon of sea salt. So I have sea salt right here. Just sprinkle in a half of a teaspoon of sea salt. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to use black pepper. Again, half a teaspoon of black pepper. Really, I love pepper. Half a teaspoon. All right, so the next thing we're going to do is use 1 or half a teaspoon of onion powder. So I have all these right here out. I had all of these ingredients at my house, so these are simple ingredients for you. And then the next thing we're going to use again is half a teaspoon of garlic powder. And who doesn't love garlic? It is delicious. So all of these spices are some of my favorite spices. So the next thing we're going to do is we need to add our dill. So it says 1 tablespoon of dill, and today the dill we're bringing to you is from Square Mile Farm. It's delicious, it's fresh, so it asks for a tablespoon. So what I did is I just cut off the little bitty sprigs, and oh, dill is so cute and hairy. Look at that. So just cut it off just like this. It says chopped dill, and just chop it up just like this. And then we're going to put the chopped dill in here as well. And then lastly, it calls for a half of lemon juice from a lemon, and that really equals about 1 to 1.5 tablespoons. So I have lemon juice already in a bottle instead of a fresh lemon juice, but that's fine also. So just add your lemon in there, just like that, and mix this all together. If you can see this, the dill looks so pretty in there and brings some color to it. Mix that up. You can use vegetables as a dip. You can use crackers. So remember, dill helps with aids with digestion and has a calming effect. It's really healthy for you. And then if you would like, just add some dill as some garnish and serve this to your family. It's a way to get your kids to eat more vegetables. So today we brought to you dill dip. If you have any, you can use whatever ingredients that you want or however you want just to make it better. And remember, at the end of this video, we'll have the recipe and then also some nutritional facts for you. All right, thanks guys.